front camera relocate kit for the GMC. This is very easy to do. I'm just doing this install video just because there's a couple tiny things that you should know. But other than that, this is very easy to do. The housing has 4 holes on the bottom. If you're doing Baja linkable pods, 2 of these holes will match up to the top, the little connecting brackets perfectly. And I'll just, you would use 2 1/4-inch bolts, 7/8 of an inch long, and everything will match up just great. We make this guide, not necessary, but if you want, well, right now what you have is, you've got your camera and your bumper is probably in frame. So as you, say you're parking up against a wall, you have that bumper as a reference. You know how close you are to the wall. So when you relocate your camera, you may no longer have a bumper or anything in frame anymore. So what this does is it just puts a little guide. So this will be in frame at the bottom of your frame, and then it might help you gauge how far you are from walls and other stuff. So if you want it, use it. If not, not needed. So just sandwiches in there, holes line up, match up, but not needed. Personal preference here. So installing the camera, I put the extension cable on first, and then if you're going to use the washer extension, go ahead and put that on first, and then go ahead and route this cable out the back of the housing. So it comes out the back. Camera goes in right side up. Just follow the lettering on the back. If those are right side up, your camera is right side up. And should just poke out the front a little bit, just like that. Then take your washer hose, route it kind of on the side of that extension, and then on the lid there's a hook end and then 2 nub ends. The nub ends are the back and the hook is the front, and that is going to go, that little hook goes into this slot right here. So kind of get it squared up, make sure that hook's in that slot, hold it, and then you're just going to squeeze the whole thing together. And there you go, pretty much installed, ready to go. So let's say you need to get this open, you're measuring, trying different mounting points, whatever. To get the housing open, you're going to pull out the washer hose, and then just take a little hex L key, like 1/8 of an inch or something, just put it in and just use that to pop the top off there, and then you're good to go. There you go.